have some friends
Hi,
with us.
I'm Tracy.
This is Tracy and this is
Jamaria.
Hi.
So I want to first off tell you thank you very much for your support through United Way. Through your donations and helping us, you help me for my child to eat lunch every day and have snacks at the Boys and Girls Club. So I just want you to greatly understand that it means a lot to us as a family and as individuals that are out there that some parents, I'm a single mom of 3 and I can't afford all the time to do extra stuff. So with them going to the Boys and Girls Club, you help fund that as well as the Imagination Library that she looks forward to every month in the mailbox for that book to come. And I just greatly appreciate your donations and to help us and her. Can you tell him thank you?
Thank you.
You are very welcome.
So yeah, thank you so much. And then I have a medal for you, or not a medal, I'm sorry, a little rock that says thank you because we greatly appreciate everything that you do. Thank you very much.
Thank you. It was very special and very humbling and just glad to help, to be able to help. Myself personally and Shields as a company. We're just proud to be a part of United Way. The main reason is we know that not everybody has the same opportunities that we have, and just being able to help give some of those opportunities.